Glanya Brush Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Luyi, Henan, the city of cosmetic brushes in China. Luyi, the hometown of Laozi, the hometown of morality, is a famous cultural city with a long history and a famous industrial city with rapid development. It is the world's largest production base of cosmetic brushes, producing 85% of the world's artificial hair. In addition, the production of cosmetic brushes accounts for half of the national market, and the export volume exceeds 90% of the country's total. Glanya Brush Manufacturing Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, and sales of makeup brushes. It has a professional R&D team and mainly develops makeup brushes, makeup brush sets, makeup bags, etc. The products are exported to developed countries such as Europe and the United States. With complete and scientific quality management system, Glanya Brush Manufacturing Company Limited has been recognized as professionalism in the industry field, whether in integrity, strength, or product quality. Each Glanya makeup brush has gone through dozens of procedures, including strict hair selection, modification, and hair gram measurement, craftsmanship and grinding, careful planning, and perfect encounter determine the personality of each brush. Glanya Brush Making adopts advanced manufacturing procedures and technologies and selects the best raw materials. From the dissolution of nylon into filaments, carding, packaging, cutting, oxidation, dyeing, cleaning, drying, shaving, and matching handles. All processes of trimming, glue dispensing, and packaging are completed by our factory alone, ensuring that the quality and performance of each makeup brush reaches the highest standards. Various makeup brushes are customized according to customer needs, including Bristol materials, handle designs, and packaging methods. The monthly production volume can reach millions to meet your unique needs. Strictly follow quality management standards and conduct multiple strict quality inspections from raw material procurement to production and packaging to ensure that every brush is perfect. Glanya Brush Making has a team of passionate and experienced professionals who can provide personalized advice and support to help you choose the best makeup brush product for your brand. Choosing us means choosing quality. Choosing us means choosing professionalism. We are willing to join hands with you to contribute our modest contribution to the success of the brand and create beauty together.